Welcome back to At Home Coding Camp. This is week 3 of using Scratch programming. If you haven't used Scratch before, I recommend watching the first 2 coding camp videos, which you can find at our Sycamore Public Library Facebook. We post coding camp videos every Friday for the month of June. With this in mind, for this coding video, we will continue to use Scratch to improve on our beginner coding gaming skills. This lesson, we will combine what we learned on the other videos as well as learning to use operators on our script. Let's get started. Feel free to use any background drop and sprite of your choice as long as you follow along this lesson. To start, go under Tutorials, select Animate Your Own Adventure Game. Please delete any characters you are not going to choose for your game. I'm going to choose Chloe as my main character. And if you can't see your character, click on their icon and you can make them show up or hide by clicking on the eye icon on and off. Let's make our game. As you watch, you can pause the video and try each step at your own pace. First, go to the Events category, select one press on the green flag block, which means we press play. Then we want to select a specific costume for our character when we start the game. Therefore, go under Looks, select Switch Costume to, and if you want to see the different costumes your character has, just go under Costume tab and select your favorite. After that, let's go under Looks category and drag out a say block to make your character say something. I am going to make my character say, "Let's collect gems for 2 seconds." Now I want to make my character follow the mouse during the duration of the game. To do this, go to Control category, select Forever block, and drag it under the Say block. And then go to the Motion category, drag out the block that says Glide 1 second to random position, and choose Mouse Pointer from the menu options. This is saying forever make your character follow the mouse pointer. Let's check out our work. Great! Our character talked and is following the mouse pointer. After that, click on the gem object next to Chloe. For this object, we want the gem to keep count of the score each time our friend Chloe touches the gem, as well as going to a random position each time. Let's start with the flag is clicked block. We will go under variable and create our own variable named score. This score block will contain information we put in. It's like an empty storage. Then select my variable to 0 code block and change variable to the variable we created, which is score. Go under Control and select Forever block, and then select Wait Until block. Go under Sensing and drag Touching Mouse Pointer block. Change it to the name of the character. Go under Category, Play Sound, Collect Until Done, and then select Go to Random Position block. Change score by 1 under the variable category. Always check your progress by pressing play. Eventually, we want to change backdrops during the duration of the game. However, we want to start with Candy Kingdom backdrop at the start of the game. To do this, select when the flag is clicked as well as switch backdrop to Candy Kingdom. Select Forever Block and then select Set Score to 0. Select Wait Until Block and then go under Operator category, select the Equal To operator. Put the score variable inside the operator and change the number to 5. And select Next Backdrop. In sum, we want the backdrop to change to the next backdrop once the score reaches to 5 points, representing next level. Then select the third object of your choice, which will be the one that if your character grabs it, they will lose their points and ultimately lose the game. To start with, the flag is clicked, go under Looks. Let's hide this object at first. And then select Forever Block. And let's add the Show This Object. Then select Go to Random Position. Play soundbite until done. And let's choose a Wait Until block. And add Touching Chloe. Let's change the score by 1. If you see, each time Chloe catches a pizza, she loses points. Moreover, we want to code if this character's score is less than 0, they lose the game. In order to do this, click on Chloe. Select if and then statement. We are going to use an operator again. Select an equal to or a less than operator. It's up to you. I'm selecting less than. And add switch backdrop to block and switch costume to Chloe 1. And then select a say block, and I'm going to write game over. Let's test this. I almost forgot. I want the game to end if the score is less than -1. I'm going to choose a different backdrop for when the game is over. And that's it. You completed your third game using Scratch. Please stay tuned if you want me to tweak my game to see if I can add more gems or more pizzas. Also, next week on Friday, we are going to start C++ programming, so please stay tuned for that. Thank you so much and have a great day.